Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel your Monzo Plus subscription directly from the Monzo app. First, open your Monzo app and head over to the Plus tab at the bottom. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the Plus screen and tap on Settings. You'll now see an option to cancel Monzo Plus. Tap that and follow the prompts. Keep in mind, once you cancel, you'll lose all Plus benefits like custom categories, interest, connected banks, and more. Your virtual cards will stop working, so don't forget to update any subscriptions using those cards. And since the holographic blue card will no longer work, you'll need to order a replacement hot coral card. Also, depending on how you've had Monzo Plus, you might be charged a cancellation fee. And that's it. Super simple. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thank you for watching.